Hi, my name is Matthew Boberg. I'm a senior on the BU men's soccer team and I'm a biology major. This summer I was awarded a grant from the National Science Foundation to do research at Boston University. I was selected from a group of applicants to be selected to do research at the Cruz-Martín Lab within the biology department. My research was in schizophrenia lab. So what I did specifically was I examined 2 genes within the genome of humans. Schizophrenia was a disease that has a lot of synaptic dysformation within glutamate and dopamine. And so specifically what I was doing was looking at 2 genes that were associated with schizophrenia. My job was to create a plasmid to knock down this gene within specifically a mouse line and to study the behavioral deficits. We do a surgery technique called in utero electroporation, where we'll inject this plasmid into the prefrontal cortex of a mouse and it'll knock down the gene specifically that we want to knock down. It's important because a lot of people have schizophrenia and it's an understudied disease, and going forward, the more that we learn, the more that we can create certain antibodies or even a cure to help eventually. I've always just been interested in neuroscience, specifically just the frontal lobe of the humans is really interesting because that's where all the consciousness is for humans. And it's kind of just cool that we just don't know that much about it, and I hope that I can just be one of the individuals to help lead the charge in understanding more. One of the most rewarding parts about doing this research this summer, I'd have to be being with everyone that was in the lab. I think it's especially fun having a good culture, stems back again to being a student athlete, having a good team culture, having a good lab culture, just makes everything a lot more enjoyable.